So if you're like me, you're always on the go and you need all your devices charged at a moment's notice, Asperx has you covered. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For the regulars, how was your Christmas? And for the new people, welcome, and how was your Christmas? So if you're like me, you probably got a few electronic gadgets for Christmas. Anybody that knows me knows the best gift to get me is gadgets. And one of them, I got a new drone. I got a new Apple Watch, I got a new electronic gimbal, and even though I've got the new Blue 80 to charge everything that I need, for the times that I'm away from the van I don't want to worry about running out of charge. So thanks to today's sponsor, Asperx, I no longer need to worry about that. So Asperx reached out and asked if I'd like to review their 10000 mAh portable power bank charger. I thought it was just for the one, but when it came here, as you can see on the box, there's actually two in there. So it's actually 20,000 mAh if you think about it, so thanks Asperx. So let's get it unboxed and see what we get. We get the two batteries. We also get two USB-A to USB-C cables and a user manual. But that's it. That's everything you get in the box. Two batteries, two chargers, manual. So what's some of its features? Normally with these power banks, you can only charge it from one port and that's it. But this actually has dual charging. Both of them come from the middle, micro USB slot and the USB-C. So you can charge it a lot faster. That's pretty cool, so fast charging. As you can see, each of these chargers are tiny. They only weigh 218 grams each. It's literally the size of a phone, so it fits in your pocket relatively easy as well. By comparison, this is the one that I normally use. I think this is a 30,000 mAh battery, but when you see the difference, it's night and day. This is a lot harder to put in your pocket. How thin it is as well. Granted, this is a bigger battery, but two of these equals one of them. And the good thing about it is you can put one in each pocket. They're that light as well. You could actually attach this to your camera stand so that it's just constantly charging the phone, so you're never going to be without power. One of the other features is the LED lights to let you know how much battery you've got left. And if you look at this diagram here, 4 indicators equals to 100%, 3 equals 75%, 2 equals 50%, and 1 equals 25% battery capacity left. It's just a simple click on the top button. So it's two USB-A outputs, one USB-C port for input and output, and one micro USB slot. As you can see, it's just a simple design. It's got the name of the company, Asperx. It's got the battery capacity, and the button at the side just starts up the LED. Other than that, that's it. Nice and simple, straight to the point. But one of the best features about it has to be the fact that you can charge 3 devices at once. So as you can see here, I've got my drone plugged in, I've got the drone controller plugged in, and I've got the other batteries from the drone plugged in. And the thing is this is where having two comes in handy, because that power output expands from 3 to actually 6. So you could be charging those 3, and then you could be charging another 3 devices. So if you're out running and gunning, this will charge your full setup. And if you look at this footage here, I was out flying the drone and the battery started getting low, and all I had to do was just take out the battery from my top pocket, plug it into the USB-C, plug the USB-C into the drone, and it started charging straight away. And then all I did was just went for a wee walk while it charged it up for a bit. So on this occasion I only had one battery with me for the drone, but thanks to this I was able to charge the battery and continue using my drone. So the set that I was sent out was a white one and a black one, but you can also choose from these colours as well. I don't know if you can mix and match them, or if these colours come in a set like these two do, so you would have to contact them I think, but it's cool that they've got a different array of colours for you to choose from. But other than that, feature wise, that's pretty much it, and to be honest, that's all you're looking for. So let's discuss pros and cons. To be honest, the product is what it is. It's a power charger bank, and being able to charge 3 devices at 1 or 6 if you use the other one is pretty cool as well, so it's hard to find any faults with it. The only thing that I think I would change is possibly the battery indicator. I've never really liked the LED dots to indicate a battery status. So when you look at the one that I normally use, it's got a percentage gauge. I just like working with that a bit better. This thing is heavy compared to even holding the two of them. This is still heavier. Granted, it is a bigger battery, but again, having this method here is probably what keeps the price down. So let's go on to the price. How much do they cost? The price for the pack of 2 comes in at $24.99. However, on Amazon you can get both of them for $15.99. When I looked up the price, I was expecting them to be something like 40 or 50, just because of the fact you're getting both of them. But $15.99, you can't grumble. Even at $24.99, you can't grumble with that. So if you want to go and pick these up from Amazon, as always, I'll leave a link to them in the description. So what's my final thoughts on them? I love them. The fact that you get 2 in the box, charge 3 devices at once, it's got dual input charging. Again, the only pet peeve is the LCD screen, or lack of, but it's enough to get you through. If you're out hiking, if you're camping, if you're at a festival, say you're a videographer, if you're out making content, you can't go wrong with them for that price. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments, and let me know if you're going to go and pick these wee bad boys up, or let me know if you use one of these big heavy ones. And if you haven't already, why not get subscribed to the channel and hit that bell notification so you're always notified when I release a new video. Take it easy guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.